Etie for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So na mikita newspapers beye 3. Ewo menim mesanso ewo online portals beye 4 ewo menim. Nini ade omo reporters isi ane se baomia sabi akronfo bi eko breaki into the fie. Answer the better on subscribe na click the notification bell on so MI. We hear the latest news be about one sa ebeka. The story na eba na a very serious story, you know. Baby a here say me ready from the news portal no me ready amount. But the summary of the story is say adeɛ we ensi ɛwɔ baomia ne fie na ɛwɔ nkran no esi we ɛwɔ I think ne fie no ɛwɔ baby a ye frɛ no me pɛ sɛ me hwɛ din no ɛma mo tie for me srɛ mo ye frɛ area ne din Periga. Yes, Periga, a suburb of Walewale in the West Mamprusi municipality of Northeast region. And that's the exact place. Periga no edino no suburb of Walewale. Into Nifina ewo Walewale no eho enache se yes robbers be ana ebimo reported say bandits. GHpage.com reported say robbers. MyNewsGH.com so reported say burglars. Another website kubilive.com and so a big website e Ghana and no omo reported say bandits. Into Ninia no ye bonnet of Rebecca say sebe e wudifuo bi abone just say ebi omutrim I break it into a year baomia nifie. Now I don't know ebia no mususu say baomia wo ho ana wo ni ho. I just don't know. I think currently the baomia na or to say them say wo ko ho nanse. I don't know say no mu fi say still wo fi ho ana wo ni ho. But the yacht say wo mu hwi wo no ena wo mu ko fie nim ena wo mu bu say door nani ena wo mu ra baomia ni dem ena tre say enyama wo mu edi koye ana edi dwane ye no de yacht ene say laptops, phones, any nyamatress who say yes, very valuable materials and actually one more fire, one more eddy television sets, TV set, any TV back up TV sets, decoders ni nyamania just a yasim crofui area one more day echo. Yet Yanko wants to say no casualty. Sebe yante say be a one more alcohol alcohol be an alcohol bit you. Now same way and the police were because of the person involved, they are tight-lipped. Because of the person involved, they are tightly. But I think class about me and no any police board no or no head into the NBC in one say police for one more M but so abundance are. Into we don't know whether Wamoko if you know Wamoko to for or ho. We just don't know. But the police are actually tight-lipped on this particular matter. Into police need be a wakasa on grounds of anonymity. Not as a one person you be disclosing the identity no. Say or no any case burglars no wamu hwi wo no. Into no any story about out this year. Now I think my news GH, if I'm reading from their portal, there one more can and say the Walewale divisional police commander DSP David Noble or no and actress one more imagine say one more contacting because one say aba say adinesi ewo the division there I was all morning a my news GH say one more contact a year DSP David Noble. Now, when we reach in or disclose here, say, one ankasa there, he's on leave into Assem no wate, but he's not abreast with the details of the incident. Not just say, waji leave, Assem no wate say AC, but a son say, waji leave if you mean to know, won him Assem no, ni ti, ekosi ne nine, into one to me and trust ye. Into your my news GH for the assistant, the number say assistant in assistant walk over amano, into one assistant na enkasa. Inti Wamoni assistant Ekasa. Inti this is the information we are actually hearing. This is the information we are getting. Say Bamia you break into if you know. But let me read from another website Yatunidin kubilive.com and also your big website Ewo Ghana. There were more trying to say meanwhile almost the aftermath of this whole incident. Because my news GH and GH page and the other newspapers are they just reported on the incident. They didn't report on the aftermath. Inti Kubilive for no almost reported on the aftermath of the incident. Say police meanwhile our close sources have confirmed that 4 persons have since been arrested in connection with a crime and currently in police custody assisting with investigation. Actually say, sisi amene woka say police for ache in 4 say saa nkrofofo ne kodi saa nsem we e wo Bawumia ne fie. But if indeed it is true say police watching nkrofofo na say Charlie very quick, because Sisia na news ni break, Sisia also na eba say ya nkrofofo in connection with this. Na say very good. I don't know, maybe because it's the vice president involved in police for just say so much microphone quick. I say police declined disclosing the identities of all four suspects who it's gathered could soon be arraigned before court over the alleged involvement. Naturally say police for Ayoma just say woman can assemble woman can she emfa assemble ho na sa four suspects ade ayede omo ebe court sisia. Now what you also say, at the time of filing of this report, the fence wall at the home of the vice president was being reinforced by increasing its height to avert a similar break-in the future, with reports suggesting that other houses close were also broken into by the criminals. Naturally, say criminals and I said your mom could di nyambra nsem we no. Will be him say ebi anomu nim say a vice president ni fie na wo mo ko ana, because you see wo mo area ho no similar thing nkrofo no so ekọ ho e break into their homes e ko wieri anyama ansa na wo mo ko vice president no ba sisi amene wo ka say wo mo the walls ni bi wo mo the blocks ni bi air to a wall ne so ama wall no ayetenten nti eno ene asema eda ho. That's the breaking news coming through. Na say police for achi omo first member police for nabaso say bo mo ayade. Now we will encourage them. This is not the time to criticize the police. We actually encourage them. Say, send me a same way. See here and there, and there, so yet say police for one more action for no. We just hope and pray. Say if normal citizen in so one because send your air, no, Obi Beka say, hey, vice president meeting and they are muachi a year in no. So that's the story we have. Same way there, you need ADHE. You need the now Daniel Kopo wants to say the vice president wasn't there. And now Daniel Kopo wants to say we are not hearing of any bad news and Grofono a breaking into vice president Nifi no ebia wamoko ye wamoko bo bichu and wamoko wo bi sekanya bibi, because before even this story na me ya me breaking news we kra ebrem na no so bole around that same area no, and that same northern side of the country no. Amoakobo ebimutu na say ade security concerns and security issues peja nimu with that side of the country, not even only with that side of the country. I mean Ghana this year and the last year we've recorded very, very unprecedented security issues. And you know that's the story coming through. Montre margin our comment box nimu montre margin our comment box nimu you know asem way there many dey. Let me see whether I can get some comment for you. Yeah, say you been say Ghana for be kasa ewo asem way trewo margin wa asem way because I want to know what Ghanaians think about this. Hopefully we pray say nkrofo emfa asem way embeye politics, but I want to get more on this particular issues. What's asemba sana you don't have to read from only one source. My combine by 5 aside newspapers, my combine by 5 web portals are made story way bro. Now there's another report from ghgossip.com and also a very big website about Ghana. Also one more report exactly on this. Okay. So I think basically Omunia is the same. Obia was the same story. Say nkrofo na yachi omo. So that's the story coming through right now. Say nkrofo for na. Okay, so that means it's true. Say nkrofo for na yachi no. Hey, and there's a Ghana police there. Wow. Hey, Ghana police. Just okay. Ghana police. It's me and Juma fast. Anyway, say I'm doing kind no. Me say my criticize Ghana police. My criticize them. I just pray say senior we no see and there and then so. My no show or show so no. Ghana in some 2 years and now some 2 will be a son or man, and as I feel now, you have a back of freight, now police for it. Say, oh, Minya can't find back into my lawyer fair and my lawyer friend, a member has sent them out. Will be after work at us, I said, we will be a baby. I don't know. I've done the police, pray for lawyer fair. But Montreal imagine our comment box anymore. Montreal imagine our comment box. The latest on this particular story, no, made the Ebe Bremo, Moamunim did that. You know, yes, that is it. Yes.